Yo, 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 yo. How you doing? Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Yes. Willa, 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 Willa. Hey. As I'm shy. I am shy right in the dog. I let's restart the dog. I okay. Okay. Think okay, let's try again. Well, my Kasi Italianos, welcome back to another episode of Kasi Lifestyle Originals. We're back again with another one. It's a boy here, Zulu Ocean. Ish, guys, it's been a while. I know, Ish. Yeah, man, Ish. Lina kids able horo high, young taller, Ish, young taller. But otherwise, look, man. Um, Ish. Yeah, I had a lot on my plate, but I'm back now. I'm back, and I promise you guys, there's gonna be a whole lot more coming for the channel.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god.
I know. I'm always saying that. But listen to me. Listen to me this time. Listen. This time it's gonna happen. I promise you. I promise you. Content after content. I'm gonna give you content after content. That's a promise, man. That's a promise, my Casa Italiano. You guys are my day ones. You guys are my Casa Italianos, and we are at 780 subscribers, guys. Yo, guys. My name, man. Yay! Man, makanina ni funa ukungikhalisa jo. Heki batla lla jo. Yeah, man. It touches my heart. It touches my heart. The 780 of you guys who are watching and have subscribed. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. So, without further ado, man, let's go to today's reaction. Today, we're going to be reacting to Inkabi Zezwe. If you don't know, man, if you don't know who Inkabi Zezwe, man, we're talking about Big Zulu. We're talking about Sjava. They have formed a group called Inkabi Zezwe. And if you yourself, identify yourself as Inkabi, please, man, buy the match, man, buy the match. Inkabi Zezwe, man, support your boy. This is my own brand. From the ground up, man. Inkabi Zezwe, to tell you, we're coming with fire, man. This is Kasi Lifestyle Original Reactions coming back with fire. Inkabi Zami with my Kasi Italianos. So guys, please go support, man. But otherwise, though, let me not bore you with promos, man. Let's get straight to it, man. So today we're gonna be reacting to Inkabi Zezwe. They just released a new song. So they've been teasing us with a new album or EP that they're gonna be dropping soon. So they just released a song called give me a second. Hey, yeah, it's been a while since I read this Zulu. City Zulu. Umbayimbayi. Umbayimbayi. Yeah, that's the name of the song, man. That's the name of the song. Yeah. So the gents released the song 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, and just yesterday they released the music video. So yeah, so today we're gonna be checking out the music video. So I haven't seen it yet, man, I haven't been listening to a lot of music recently, like with hey, it's been hard for me to listen to music because I always listen to music with you guys. I always listen to new music. Hey, slow sabalega manch. Slow city, new music. Yeah, new music with you guys, but yeah. So here we are, man. Today we back, man. So today we're gonna be checking out Inkabi Zezwe, Umbayimbayi. Yeah. So Umbayimbayi, to those who don't know, Umbayimbayi, it's Umbayimbayi. It's a tank. It's a tank. Yes. Umbayimbayi, it's a tank. That military tank. That's like that. Yeah, military tank. Like boom, boom. That shoots like big bullets. Like rockets. Like boom, boom. Like you see that shit. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you guys. Yeah, that's a tank. That's a tank. So this song is about buying a tank to show you how much I love you, I think. But yeah, let's check it out. Oh, headphones. Forgot. So yeah, man. Let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. All right.
Sanibona baba.
Yebo tata.
Ninjani?
Hayi sikhona okungasho lutho.
You see that right that thing behind him? That monster behind him? That's Umbayimbayi. Umbayimbayi lo. Now Umbayimbayi. Yes.
Inkumbulo nje idlala ngami. Ngathi ngaze nguthola limbayimbayi udubule intaba lezokahlamba kwizona ezisithi.
Yay! Do you hear that? Did you hear that? Ngathi ngathenga Umbayimbayi. Ngidubule intaba. Lezi esifihla ukuthi ngakuboni. Yangithola. I wish I could buy. What you might call? Yeah. Tank. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. Tank. I wish I could buy you a tank so that I could shoot all the mountains. Ain't no mountain high enough. So that I could shoot all those high mountains. You know, so that I can shoot all those mountains. So that I could see you, that are blocking us from seeing each other. So that I could shoot all the mountains that are blocking us from seeing each other. Yes, that's how much I miss you. That's what my boy said here. This is Riz, man. This is Riz right here. This is Riz, man. If you ain't got it, you ain't got it. Save it for the Kobaba.
Baba wena amancokobo.
Nomsebenzi ungayenhla siyaphuma nje siyempini kusasa.
Empini.
Hey!
Mhlambe ngizokubona kuleli viki elizayo mangibuyile empini.
Baba niphephe.
Have you ever in your life been called Baba? Baba. Yeah? Have you ever been called Baba? Yeah? And then when you respond, Mamas. Hey! Yeah! Or Mamaki. Yeah! Or Mazita. Or Mama Seko. Young tall. Yes. It's that, you know. Yes, man. You know, it's like it's ish man. Yes, uthando lesintu man. Ish. It's the one, man. It's the one.
Niphephe baba.
Baba.
Yeah. Sengizokuthengela Umbayimbayi. Ulindaba. Khona uzobona. Njalo. Sengizokuthengela Umbayimbayi.
Hey. The star on this video, bro. Yo, mamas. Yo.
Ulindaba zangakini. Khona uzobona. Njalo.
So the song is saying, I wish I could buy a tank so that I could shoot the mountains over your valley, over your hood, over wherever she's staying, wherever she's staying, so that I can shoot the mountains or thingy wherever you're staying, and so that I can see you every single day. Jalo. That Jalo means every day. Jalo. I wish I could see you every day. Phela wami uphethe ingadlangadla. Do you see the ngadlangadla?
Into ongayazi uphethe inyakanya. Into lemazi lesisibhalabhala. zonda bembeka mabala umenga ngithanda iboy endabalawa usuka sami intombi engalakathi ave ngikhuluma njalo njalo oh njalo sengizokuthengela umbayimbayi udule indaba zangakini khona uzongibona njalo njalo
njalo
uzongibona njalo uzongibona njalo
Uzongibona themba lami. You will see me, my love. You will see me, my thingy, my hope. You know, themba lami, my hope, my love, my you know, my everything. You know, you will see me, my love, so that you could see me. I want to buy a tent so that I could shoot all those mountains. You see all those mountains behind him right there, so that I could shoot all these mountains behind us. You know, that thing that are blocking us from seeing each other. I'm tired.
uzongibona njalo 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 uzongibona njalo njalo uzongibona njalo 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 umqabula sheshe ngizokulobola ngeshile awuphithise le ntombi emhlophe ushiyile sibuka inyama mnandishiyini ngayiqhuba namanje siyekini phethe umbayimbayi sokama nabadeli shaya iphelele labafana badeli
Let's Umbayimbayi, you know, like a Umbayimbayi, you know, yeah. I know it sounds dramatic, but yeah, you know, it's you know, it's the act of love, you know, but yeah, it's dramatic, but yeah, you know, they're dramatic, but you know, that's love. Love is dramatic. Love is dramatic.
ibit ungangijwayezi namashende funa kikiza like ayakumama tende otubula otubula otubula
Ngitubula intaba zangakini. I'm gonna shoot all. I'm gonna shoot all the thing. I'm gonna shoot. Damn. Shit. I'm gonna shoot all the mountains from your valley. Yeah. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah. Otubula
sengizokuthengela umbayimbayi udule indaba zangakini khona uzongibona
njalo
uzongibona njalo uzongibona njalo njalo uzongibona njalo 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 uzongibona njalo uzongibona njalo 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 uzongibona tembala uzongibona njalo njalo oh njalo uzobona tembala mona.
Damn, man. Yo, man. Man, this was beautiful, This song was, man, this song was beautiful, man. This is a beautiful song. This is a beautiful love letter to the ones that you love, man. To that one special girl that you love, man. Bless up, man, to everyone who has found that girl, the special girl, man. They're very rare, man. Love is rare, man. And the moment you find it, like you would do anything. You would do anything to, to see that love every single day. So this is what the song is saying, man. It's like the guys, the guys are saying, I would do anything just to see you every day, man.
I want to buy a tank so that I could shoot all the mountains that are blocking us, man, from seeing each other. That's how much that's how much I want to see you every day. That's how much you mean to me. Like you are that hope in my life, that light, you Timbalam, you are that light in my life, you know, and I wanna and I want to, it's something which I want to treasure, young Tola. Like it's something I don't want to let go, young Tola, because you're very like you know, it's like yeah, it makes you smile. Like I'm smiling right now. uh, yeah, shame. Jolly Tlanyisa though, Jolly Tlanyisa Joe. So, stay strong, my niggas. Stay strong, stay strong. Like ish, focus on the streets, man. Cause ish, yeah, ish, cause ish. Nah, ish, gonna get hurt. Gonna get hurt out there, like if you move too fast, you're gonna get hurt. No lie there, no lie, no lie. But otherwise, though, at the same time, take the risk, man. Sometimes the risk is worth it. The risk is worth it sometimes. So yeah, take the risk sometimes. But otherwise, though, back to the song, man. Back to the song. The song is a beautiful masterpiece, man. It's a beautiful song. I loved it. Yeah, music video, it portrayed, like the music video. I love the visuals, man. I love the visuals. I love the setup. I love I just love I love the, yeah. Yeah. But yeah, it was a beautiful music video, man. I really loved it. The jeans, you should also, if you wanna also dress as the Inkabis, buy the shirt, man. Buy the shirt, man. Yeah. I don't want to promote, I don't want to promote, but go buy the shirt. Go buy the shirt. But like, let me not bore you with the promotions. But go buy the shirt. Go buy the shirts. But yeah, I don't want. Let me not bore you. But otherwise, yeah, and yeah, as I was saying, a music video, 10 out of 10, man. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give the visuals. Whoever directed the music video, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Yeah. So I really liked it, and yeah, man, I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. Flowers there, but the mountain, the chair, yeah. Yeah, no, honestly, that was a beautiful music video. Really loved it, and it was filled with love. It had that energy, that romantic energy, to it, between two lovers who want to see each other, but they can't because one has to, one is away. He went to war, and the only thing he can think about is getting back to the love of his life, and it happens, man. It happens, man. Long distance relationships, man, and and yeah, some last, some don't, it's yeah, it is what it is, man. But otherwise, though, to those who survive, that the distance, yeah. Shout out to them, man. Shout out to them. They should tell us how did you survive a long distance relationship? Tell us there on the comment section. Yeah, if you've ever been in a long distance relationship, tell us there on the comment section. How did you survive it? Like how did you survive it? And is this, and would you buy a tank, to blow up a mountain just to see the person that you love? Tell us there in the comment section. What would you do for the person that you love? Just to see them. Just to see the person. If you haven't seen the person that you love in a long time, what would you do to get to them? Would you jump on a plane? For those who are scared of flying, would you swim all the way to her? Like, yeah. What dramatic thing would you do? Like, what dramatic thing would you do just to go see your person? Or what dramatic thing have you done just to go see your person? Tell me there in the comment section. Let's have a conversation, man. But otherwise, though, thank you, man, for watching. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and subscribe. Sorry for going over, I don't know how many minutes we had now, but thank you very much to everyone who is watching. And we're at 780 subscribers. Yo, thank you, man. Thank you very much, man, to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please leave a like and subscribe. Yeah. So before I sign out though, I just want to say, easy Makasi Italianos until another one. Oh yeah. Wait, I go by the name of Zulu Ocean. Easy. Oh yeah. Shoot.